we talked about semen, let's understand the both type of reproductive system. That are the male reproductive system and the female reproductive system. In the male reproductive system, you will find a lot of ducts, lot of gland, and inside the testis, which is the essential one for the production of the semen, inside the testis, you will find a lot of ducts, gland, pipes, epididymis, many more. So let's understand it clearly. So inside the testis, the sperms are produced. But how is that? And how are they produced? So as you could see that the germal layer breaks off and the sperms are thrown into the epididymis. What is epididymis? It is a tube that is for the direction of the sperm. It is very very long. It is 6 meter or something. So it's a very long distance and it has to travel that. The sperm needs to travel that. During that travel phase, it matures. The sperms that travel through these large ducts, they mature. And after going from there, they get into their body and they secrete out of the penis. But this is not all this simple. During the exaggeration of the sperm, what happens is that the hormones are released and various ducts secrete their gland. But the testes are outside our body. Why is that so? Our body temperature is around 37 degrees Celsius, 36, 37. But the sperms that are needed to produce, they need or they require a bit less temperature. So they require a bit less temperature, and that less temperature is 34 degrees Celsius. So that's why a scrotum is produced. That is, scrotum is present there, and inside the scrotum they are produced. So that's the purpose of scrotum, them being outside the body. So the male reproductive system is outside the body. In the reference to the female one, these are outside and the female ones are the inside, looking like an alien. Yeah, the male one also looks like an alien. Both are looking like alien, but they are the reason that life is formed. After talking about that, what more? Because the scrotum is there, the testis is there, and now what? The sperms are produced, they are going from the testis, now they are going to go to the retrotestis, vas deferens, and after that they are going to the urinogenital duct, ejaculatory duct comes first, then the urinogenital duct, and then they come out of the penis. Every duct and gland secrete their secretion, and the scrotum, the penis, the testis, and the duct, that is ejaculatory duct, these are not connected. There are four type of system inside the male reproductive system. They are not connected. They are not connected to anything, and these all combined lead to the formation of new ones or the formation of sperms. The sperms are produced with the help of meiosis. We all know how meiosis occurs, and meiosis is the reason that gametes are formed. Sperms are a type of gamete, and gametes are the one which penetrates the oocyte and lead to the formation of new ones. Gametes have a large and big role within themselves. They are the major worker of our body. Similarly, after talking about them, these are the functional sperms and everything about sperms. But sperm has its own function as well. We all know that its function is to mature itself, go through the vagina, going through the large pH, because whenever a sperm enters the body, then the pH level of the vagina is very low, so it is acidic, and some sperms penetrate and some do not. So some perish and some do not. After going to the tight hole of the cervix, they have to go past to the immune system because they are considered as a foreign gene. So they are passed through the immune system. After, they have to make the decision of going to the left, to the right, and some go to the left, some go to the right, and the one that goes into the right direction penetrates and lead to the formation of baby. I hope you understand. Thank you.